If you drive for work, whether that's rideshare, deliveries, real estate, sales, or anything else, every single mile you don't track is money you're giving back to the IRS. Most drivers lose $3,000 to $5,000 a year in missed deductions. There's a better way. This is TrakMiles Pro, one app that tracks your mileage, logs your revenue and expenses, scans receipts, and generates every report you need for tax time. Let me show you how it works. GPS tracking starts in seconds. No buttons to press. TrakMiles detects when you're driving and logs every trip automatically with the date, distance, start and end addresses, and business purpose. Exactly what the IRS requires for a valid mileage log. And every trip is stored right here in your trip history. The Finance tab is where you track every dollar. On the income side, log earnings by platform with tips, bonuses, and payment method. On the expense side, track spending by IRS Schedule C category. Your phone bill, car insurance, supplies, parking, tolls, everything. TrakMiles uses real double entry accounting with a full chart of accounts, so your books are always clean. Snap a photo of any receipt, and the built-in scanner automatically reads the vendor name, amount, and date. No internet required. Everything happens on your phone. The receipt attaches to the expense and is included in your reports. Clock in with one tap when your shift starts. TrakMiles tracks your work hours and calculates utilization, how much of your clock time you actually spent driving. It's the number most drivers never see, and it changes how you think about which hours are worth working. TrakMiles has 6 full report suites: mileage, revenue, expenses, time clock, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Each one includes interactive charts and month-over-month comparisons so you can see exactly where your money is going. The Schedule C helper maps your data directly to IRS line items and compares the standard mileage rate versus actual expenses, so you always pick the bigger deduction. The quarterly tax estimator calculates what you owe and when it's due. And when you're ready, export everything as a PDF or CSV and hand it straight to your accountant. Tax season gets easier when your books are already done. When you're ready to grow, Company Mode lets you add team members by email, assign roles, owner, manager, driver, or limited, so everyone sees exactly what they need. Share bank accounts and credit cards so balances stay in sync. View combined reports with per-member breakdowns and world-class analytics showing who's driving the most miles and generating the most revenue. Compare month over month or year over year and tap any transaction for full details, including receipts. Everything syncs through your Google Drive. No servers, no accounts to create. Your team stays connected while your data stays private. Your data stays on your device. Backups and Team Sync go to your personal Google Drive, not our servers. You own your data, period. TrakMiles Pro has a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Download it from the Google Play Store. The link is in the description. Start tracking today. Every mile you miss is money you lose. Get your business on track with TrakMiles Pro.